So welcome back in the next video. In this video you will see how to convert this work done in the Google Sheets in the form of a document or a Word file. So I will go to file option, then I will go to downloads option, then I will select this only left open document function. So this will download a file. I will open this file. So this is the file which I have already opened in the form of Excel. So basically the file downloaded is converted in the form of a document, or using this open document function we can open this document in the form of any format. We can share it with others in the form of email. Also we can email it. We can print it in the form of PDF. We can import, we can create a new spreadsheet. So that's all from this video. In this way we will convert a Microsoft Google spreadsheet into Microsoft Word. So that's all from this video.